Today I'm going to show you how to print multiple copies on one page in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to produce numerous duplicates of a document efficiently, whether for distribution, archiving, or sharing with colleagues. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to access your PDF files and begin the printing process. Next, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the documents you've been working with lately, making it easy to locate what you need. From this list, select the file you want to print multiple copies of. Click on it to open the document in your workspace. Now that your file is open, look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the Print button. Click on it to open the Print dialog box. This is where you'll configure all your print settings before finalizing the job. Alternatively, if you prefer using the menu, click on Menu in the upper left corner, then select Print from the drop-down options. Both methods will bring you to the same Print dialog box where you can customize your settings. In the Print dialog box, navigate to the Copies section. Here you'll see a field where you can specify how many copies you want to print. Click on this field and type in your preferred number of copies. This gives you complete control over the quantity without having to print the same document repeatedly. Once you've entered the number of copies, click the Print button to proceed. At this point, Adobe Acrobat will prompt you to choose where you want to save the printed file on your computer. Browse through your folders and select the location that makes the most sense for your workflow. Before finalizing, you have the option to rename the file name if needed. This is particularly helpful if you want to distinguish this print job from others or organize your files more effectively. Make any necessary changes to the file name, then click Save to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully set up multiple copies of your PDF to print on one page in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This method streamlines your workflow and ensures you can produce the exact number of copies you need without hassle. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.